Well, hey, all you viewers to be named later, how are we doing today? First thing I want to say is I'm sorry for the air conditioning noise in the back. It's really warm inside my apartment today, and I'm sweating as it is, so I figured I'd turn it on to help cool down. So, as you know by that thumbnail and everything else you clicked on, today we're going to take a look at something by CRKT. It's the Septimo Multi-tool. Now, this one was a bit of a problem getting my hands on it. It is one of the latest ones from CRKT's Forged in War series. Now, I have brought everything I can, well, I've bought everything from that series, and everything I've shot reviews on is going to be sitting right up here in this card, the Forged by War series. We've taken a look at the original kind of one of this, the knife, in that series. But the designer, Jeremy Valdez, wanted to design something a little bit differently and make a whole bunch of things right at once. Now, as I said previously, when I got a chance to talk with Austin McGlone live on my show, the No Lag Zone, and if I'm a smart boy, I'm going to leave a card right there for the show with Austin. I really didn't want it, but in the end, what it represents, I had to put my selfishness aside for a moment. Now, I believe it's, where'd you go? There's a certain, there we go. 10% of the net profits of this guy is going to be donated to Jeremy's charity of choice, and that's the Green Beret Foundation. It took me a little bit to go ahead and get it, because every single time it seems that CRKT gets them in stock, they vanish quicker than a private's paycheck at, well, a gentleman's bar outside of Fort Bragg. That's the easiest way I can put that. Alright. It's, oh yeah, and CRKT loves to include stuff for other things, and there we go, for the KISS. We see that one an awful lot, don't we? Alright, so let's get into the stats and the fun, weird stuff on this guy, okay? It's got an overall length, especially when you've got this thing pretty much all the way open, of 7.63 inches. Now, I like the fact with the blade, it retained the original idea of the Septimo. They just shrunk it down a bit. The blade itself is 2.86 inches. Enclosed, it's about 4.84. And total weight is about 4.40 ounces. The blade itself, as you can see, is Tonto style with one VEF serration. It's got a plain edge with a black oxide coating and a liner lock. Now, this is what killed me, is I could not find out what the blade is. 8CR, whatever, you know, I couldn't find it. But I believe the original Septimo was 8CR 13 MOV, so you can judge from there. Now, we do have a liner lock for the blade. Now, this is what's always got me. The thumb stud, you're supposed to be able to get in there to get it, but I've had nothing but problems, so I have to kind of pinch to get her open. The handles themselves are 6061 aluminum with glass reinforced nylon inlays right there for a bit of comfort for you. Now, the tools on this guy, as you can see, the blade, the little cord cutter. Right up here, you've got little hex bit thing, and they give you, God, always remember, open it from the other side. They give you a little flathead, and they give you a Phillips right there. That just drops in place, and yes, there is a magnet in there that kind of holds it in place. On the back end here, well, I should say right here, you've got a bottle opener. Now, it comes with an adjustable wrench, but what got me is mine was really, truly locked down to the point that the little turn thing wouldn't even move, so I had to loosen the set screw. And right there, you have a glass breaker. So you've got a bunch of tools put into one that could help you in a really bad situation. But what always got me is I love the Septimo, and anyone who's known my channel and known me knows that's pretty much been my carry. I just looked at this and went, oh, why, dear God, why? But I have to remind myself, Jeremy has a lifetime worth of experience in special ops, so he knows what he's doing. He designed this for a reason, and Chris should just shut his monkey mouth and be appreciative of what he got. Alright. This one I'm a little bit hesitant on, but we're going to do some cut tests. Okay? Now, if you're curious why I'm doing these tests, take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for why I do those cut tests. Let's just start with the blade. Oh, that's a... See that? And see, I don't know if you can, but there's a lot of paper on that blade. So let's see if I can get a curly cue. Nah, I'm not even going to go with it. So, yeah. You can kind of see right there the markings on the blade. That's just from cutting through the paper. And I see a lot of paper on that blade. Alright, who wants to take a bet? I hit the camera again. So, here we are with Paracord. And yes, anybody wondering, this is going to be hitting sharpening stuff as soon as I'm done here. Alright. Pull test. Nope. Had to go first slice. It's not going to pull. I don't know if it's the paracord. I don't know if the sharpness on the blade. Don't know. But slice went through. And I think I can pull that guy off. Let's play with that evaporation. Yeah, I expected that. The way he designed those, how it just kind of like sinks in there. Didn't that pull? Okay, you guys are... You're seeing that, right? I don't know if it's the way that blade is, but it looks like that bent. Even though I don't see anything on the backside. Oh, boy. Yeah, so my fears about this guy were kind of real. Alright. So, I did all the homework, all the fun stuff on this on 5/8/21, and it's 5/12/21. Can't find it on Amazon, can't find it on Blade HQ, and surprise, 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 on CRKT. It's $59.99 and sold out on 5/8/21. Like I said, when these things come in, they go quick. I was very lucky to be able to get one in Austin. I don't know if you're watching. Message me, bro, if you want it. All I need is a mailing address. That's all I can say, man. Alright. Now we're at the fun part of the video for me. And no, I'm not going to pop a bottle or twist things in a screwdriver, okay? I think you guys know how to open a bottle and set screws. Just my opinion. Most of you are really concerned about the blade. Anyway, so that's why I did those tests the way I did it. So, I'm at the fun part of the video. This is the point where I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think she's a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? Like I said, I had to swallow my pride. I know what the end result for this thing is going to be, and that's why it's here on the channel. But, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Look, I know we do things really, really weird here, and I'm very, very grateful for the time that you're giving me today. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, what can I do to earn your subscription? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below, and let's see how we can change the course of history of this channel. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, in just a moment or two, there's going to be a big channel symbol popping up right down there. I know, I'm asking a lot, but it's all free. So that's a good thing, right? Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. See, I made it one-click easy access for you. After you've gone ahead and done that and knocked that out the way, please beat up that little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that will let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the CRKT Septimo Multi-tool. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having a great day, a safe day, and I'll see you in my next video.